My presentation is about retrofitting fans in data centers. We can achieve a huge savings by replacing old technology with new, easy technology. This is interesting to everyone who wants to save electricity, save money. It is very easy to save up to 50% on the cooling electricity with replacing to current fan technology. We have done retrofitting in a few installations, and the savings have been 30 to 60% in electricity cost. And anything older than 2015 should be considered to calculate the energy savings.